And we're back, folks, and we got a pretty car for you right here. This isn't a Hyundai Elantra Sport. It's a 2015. It's a one-owner car with no accidents, no issues, and no stories. The car is as close to perfect as you can get and not be brand spanking new. Service, safety inspected, road tested, it's ready to go. I actually took this vehicle to the bank the other day, drove 110%, ice is cold air is frigid ice cold. Interiors like new, exteriors like new, hands-free Bluetooth calling, backup cam, streaming audio. It's loaded up, got the big alloys on it, good tires, fully serviced, safety inspected, and ready to rumble. DasCleveland.com. We're going to offer this vehicle at a $995 starting down payment, and those for folks with less than better credit. Guaranteed credit approval, 2 paycheck stubs, bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Right here, DasCleveland.com.